Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of Africa with essential travel tips and hacks for your trip to Rwanda, the land of 1,000 hills. Imagine lush volcanic slopes, vibrant green valleys, and misty forests teeming with life. Rwanda is a country on the rise, eager to show its beauty and resilience to the world. We're here to make sure your journey is as smooth and enjoyable as possible. So let's get started. All right, adventurers, let's talk packing. We want to pack light, right? Remember, less is more when you're navigating airports, bouncing along those Rwandan roads, and trekking through the rainforest to meet the gorillas. Now, packing cubes, my friends, are a traveler's best friend. They're like little suitcases within your suitcase, keeping your clothes organized and compact. Imagine, no more rummaging for socks while a curious monkey eyes your backpack. And speaking of essentials, don't forget your checklist. This isn't just about remembering your toothbrush. It's about peace of mind. Having a checklist, and checking it twice, ensures you can truly relax and enjoy the magic of Rwanda. Now, let's talk about getting you to Rwanda, affordably. Flight comparison websites, my friends, are your new best friend. They're like digital travel agents working tirelessly to find you the best deals. Be flexible, be patient, and be persistent. And here's a little travel hack. Consider flying into Kigali during the shoulder seasons, spring or autumn. The weather is still fantastic, and you might just snag a better price on your flight. Remember, every dollar saved is another dollar you can spend on an unforgettable experience in Rwanda. Now let's talk about safety. Rwanda is incredibly safe with warm and welcoming people, but it's always wise to be aware of your surroundings, just like you would anywhere else. Keep your belongings secure, avoid flashing large amounts of cash, and let's talk about those emergency contacts. It's a good idea to have a list of important numbers handy, both local and international, just in case you need to reach out. Remember, preparation is key to a stress-free trip. Now, let's talk about those indispensable travel apps that will make your trip even smoother. First up, navigation apps. These are crucial for finding your way around, especially if you're venturing off the beaten path. Next, we have language translation apps. While English and French are widely spoken, knowing a few basic Kinyarwanda phrases will enrich your interactions with the locals. And of course, let's not forget about those foodie apps. Rwanda has a vibrant culinary scene, and these apps will help you discover those hidden culinary gems. So, there you have it. We've covered packing light, finding affordable flights, staying safe, and embracing the power of travel apps. Remember, Rwanda is a country of breathtaking landscapes, incredible wildlife, and resilient people. Embrace the unexpected, savor the local culture, and let the spirit of Rwanda captivate your heart. Thanks for joining me on this Rwandan adventure. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. We're here every Tuesday and Friday, ready to whisk you away to another fascinating corner of the globe. Until then, safe travels and happy exploring.